A twin suicide bombing killed at least 13 people and wounded more than 30 in Baghdad. Because of COVID-19, Dubai suspend live entertainment in hotel and in restaurant. World Bank approved $34 million to back Lebanon coronavirus vaccination drive. Biden said to work on reversing Trump policies with executive orders. UN chief welcome positive step announced by Biden administration on migration and refugees. Palestine and Jordan slam Israel plan to build new settlement unit in occupied West Bank and East Jerusalem.